Because I'm a bow down for foreign powers and I sell we out.
You should have run with that China man. You should have run with that.
You think you can go to China, but them are foolishness there. I said something there.
If I ask for you to boycott all Chinese business for a week, would Jamaican unite and do it?
That's a good point. That's a good point, family. That is a good point.
Would Jamaican unite and do it?
Good question, family. No,
we don't know. We don't know, you know. We can't say that.
But that means Chinese man right to be an idiot because
boycott. We can't tell us something a week could really be boycott.
And guys, me the phone attack.
All right, hold on there now. Since you bring up that argument,
China.
Since you bring up the argument, you know, me have choice we counteract, you know.
Good morning.
Hold on,
family.
family, man. Me have a point when bring this, you know. Look, when the people myself on the sidewalk, you find the blue suit police, they might take away them things and carry them and bash up their style and thing. And where they, me see Chinese man throw them things on the sidewalk as well, and nobody no trouble them.
But brother,
that is the way that is the advantage Jamaica. By governance.
The Chinese stuff, yes or no? Is a yes or no question, you know?
Yeah,
no.
Eager.
Man, that boycott yes, with the boy, but I tell you, say, look on the other way where you say. So the head of them love the
foolishness that yeah, agree with him, pan. Wait. When the Chinese get powers, if we go there, go back, but we had boycott police, kill we with rascal cars. Yeah.
No, we not have to go buy. No, man, we not have to buy them things.
We can't boycott them. We can't do nothing to them because they get the powers from the leader. If you do anything what they want to do. So you're not bad about that, but no, boycott can't talk, but you not go try and go on a Chinese place, go and harass them.
No, man, we not harass them. And that's what we mean, man. Boycott, you know, buy nothing from them. We not mean say we go trouble.
No, me check like I'm check like you know, go like another one.
No, man. No buy from them.
If you not
harass them, not in a violent way. Not in a violent way, Papa.
Okay.
What you know? What you know? Just want to ask one simple question.
All I know is if Uncle Sydney have a store, instead of we go buy from the Chinese, we go to Uncle Sydney store and support.
Yeah, that's true.
Right.
So we make
long time.
So we make rat, weeble, and take the whole of them store. Make rat and cockroach and mud taking off them store. That is what.
When them sell if you want
to buy from the Chinese, so you have work at Chinese. So if you have work at Chinese, work at America too.
All right. Next thing again when we look and I see how them are do it. Where the brethren come out, the woman come out and say, he say rat dodo and weeble and say the flour and the rice. And he might tell the Chinese man say sell the said we. And when she talk, the minister of health, and so them here will look about to come out. And then that him give him a week before him place to open back. And because a black man.
No, for sure you say injustice.
How much months to write it before him could get back at the license?
That for sure, brother, the injustice what black people have.
That's why I said, what from the Prime Minister come right on to ministry them, brother. Them in league and them are sell we out.
But I see them blind and give the American them too. So you're biased on one side.
No, hold on.
If you avoid the American them too. You avoid Chinese, avoid the American them too.
No, but me know about two emphasis when they on the China. That's why we are talking about them this
man. Now you can't emphasis for one people. If you invest you will talk about two of them are rocking.
No, but the Prime Minister must have one white man to say one Chinese man. So that's why we are talking about
two of them are destroyed Jamaica.
Yeah. We are talking about the one where we depend right here now, brother. We don't want to miss out.
Hold on, give me a chance.
Hold on. When last America buy banana from Jamaica? When last America buy orange from Jamaica?
A good whole pie, boy, we got good while long whole pie here.
Oh, so hold on,
Jamaica feed themselves.
No, don't say that. Because
when this man talk about can't feed himself, but that do not use this statement.
In the 80s, remember said the whole of money full of orange, money full of orange, you know. Tell me full of banana, you know. The Mantico beer is full of orange, you know. See? And we just supply ourselves, we are total and run the thing, you know. So you come talk, but we not supply ourselves. We not for sell things.
No, you ask when. I'm saying no. Are we have enough banana to supply our own self?
Yeah, because America now buy with banana. So we stop plant banana now. And we start plant weed. We stop plant banana, we start plant weed. America stop buy weed from now, then start going them own weed now, then legalize them weed.
I just want to ask one
Alright.
question.
And you see what you said there now? You see what you say? The Prime Minister bringing what? A beat the man them apart with what plan the weed water. And can one ship load of weed from Canada come here.
And then the Prime Minister and the IMF. And the IMF, I tell the Prime Minister.
No, man, don't tell me about no IMF, man. No IMF.
Hold on, gentlemen.
Make every man say, make him explain himself.
In the dark. Go ahead in the dark.
IMF.
In the dark.
And the IMF tell Jamaica what to do when they lend Jamaica the money.
Right? You have a point.
So Jamaica can't plant the banana plus one chippies. Plus one place called Chippies that sell banana from Venice. You know what I tell lie. When I South American country there. Then him alone send the whole of banana go America.
When you lose out, you know, Eagle you lose out, because Prime Minister tell you not borrow no money from IMF. The whole you are say borrow, I blame IMF now.
If all you borrow money,
the Prime Minister said that.
No,
then
The
the pay of the
Prime
loan.
Minister said now borrow no money from how much years now. Don't you have to blame IMF. Eagle man, what you say, man?
Prime Minister.
You just have foolishness.
Attack, man. You check levels, man.
What are the Prime Minister saying now borrow? How much you know after the money we are using? Then why you blame IMF
Say you
now?
not borrow money and tell woman say not borrow no money.
So the Prime Minister tell we lie?
You ask a question now. You not go borrow money for your friend and
No,
tell
sir,
woman
me
say
not borrow no
pay
money
again. You not borrow money for your friend and tell woman
sir.
say money again.
No, sir,
You
no,
pay
sir.
again.
No,
And somebody
nobody bring that in our-
fine come give.
Nobody bring
Because
that
you know
here,
what?
sir.
No say borrow no
Your
money.
Prime Minister lied because you agree with it.
All
Because you
of
two man say we
them
not
lie.
borrow
All
no
of them
money.
lie.
And you
All
say
of them
my
lie.
borrow. You say my borrow and
I
you
know all Prime Minister run the country one time. I want one of them electing up.
All of them come and borrow money.
But I want a lot.
Because
All
when I
of
say
them
my borrow, brother,
Borrow a lot.
and you say now borrow from Prime. Then when you say
You know borrow for
Gentlemen,
IMF. Yeah, that's true. Alright, that's true. Sydney, that's true. You borrow from China. You borrow from China because China will tell you what to do with the money.
Gentlemen, the story I got a different direction. Stick to what we're talking about, the Chinese. Zina, what them say. We don't want to carry the story all over different angle. Zin, let's stick to the point that we are talking about. What the Chinese man say about Jamaica or the Prime Minister. London.
Alright, hear me now. Alright, hear me on the floor now, brethren. If me was the Prime Minister and a Chinese man tell me that I'm here, say a Chinese man say that, me now come back and repeat over the years, so brother. Me I rocks up the Chinese, call the Chinese community and the business people, man say, yo, me here so no make a statement with you know. And that one will bring down my country, you know. And that not right. What kind of argument that, brother? Things have to change. Me now come out come loosely, so brother. Me I got rocks up the Chinese them because them have to get license from me, you know, to run business, you know.
Yes.
And for you say that about my people, me I rocks you up, brother. And that the man should have went to one and you say I agree with them. Eh?
But the point is, why the Chinese man say that? That we must look into. Alright, we are not that analyze the statement. Why does the Chinese say that?
Alright, him say that, remember a Chinese man, I said that and those feel say, I feel him thinking that everybody have a different thinking, you know.
No, it must, listen to me, if me don't say, if it is most something that him see within the business realm of the country, make them ending up say that.
That's why I call them in, and say, brethren, what kind of statement that? Make me still and trash out this brother, because this not right.
Listen, Mr.
As a Chinese man, me that do it. As a Prime Minister, me that do it.
Uncle Sidney, but look into the point. Listen to what I say to you now, while you're looking to the point, right?
Mm-hmm.
We remember, you know, you got, I must say something to you, know, we got holy pop man out, holy pop black people. Listen to what I say, you want me to say, holy pop rich Jamaican out here, which part that invest their money in a business. What, remember, you know, more I know, understand this, you see Jamaica, I mean, no one, nobody tell me at all. So what me observe and see over the past years, Jamaica is like a business hub. Listen what I'm saying, Jamaica is a diamond in the coal. Notice and see every investor, where see them come now, where see them come in the Caribbean countries, they come and come do. I don't hear them come develop. Just for example, look when the company where running a bankruptcy, what come now, come buy out JPS.
Jamaica is like a bailout. It's a bailout for foreign people, investors. Them come rampage. We do everything with and a them benefit.
But why? Me I tell you, alright, yes, Ella. But why? But me I tell you, people that are here who got money, we can do things.
We don't want a good leader.
No, me mean.
Correct.
Remember, you know, when I time I grew up a youth, I say, look on it. When I time I grew up a youth, I think one time before GLP when come in and talk, come up on the Mantico Beanie and them. But some something or whatever. But me get to understand and say every average man to go be in actually have over $10 million in the account at the time. Think about it if they will think about it, do some invest or some business, whatever what they are doing, but they're not doing it, then think different ways. Right, the Chinese, they come down here and realize and say, alright, they can put up 3 supermarkets side by side and still end up a progress and a support and get support from the black community. While the black community not investing in a no farmer business of thinking about generational wealth. Well,
they no easy thing that we talk with know our man. If the Chinese not pay no tax, brother. The Chinese not pay no tax. And the better man, you ask me a question, man. If you ask me answer, man. The Chinese man not pay no tax. Alright, you see, since they not pay no tax, they have it for 5 years. They have the business for 3-4 years, and after them see a business, but they turn over to them cousin in a new name. And so them are doing it. So them are doing it. Meanwhile, the black man have to pay tax. So the black man lose because the Chinese man sell it cheaper now. Now pay no tax. The black man always lose.
So that is the advantage. Hold on. So that is this one I said. That is the advantage what they have then. In the fight, Jamaican, but the government must look it to stand up for the people first.
Because not stand up for the people.
That's why I tell you, say the Prime Minister is an idiot, because that's why the Chinese say the Prime Minister is an idiot. Because look at your country, your country. The tax where they pay a revenue when they not pay them a rob the country revenue, you know, when the Chinese them not pay, you know. And if you up the garbage to take care of everything, you know. You understand me? And the Prime Minister don't agree, you know, he agree with the Chinese. He say we are idiot just to because he give up the Chinese, he say man give up his own revenue. And he make it. So that's why we become a fool. And that's enough to look pan.
No,
because you give up your country revenue, you know. You give up your country revenue, you know. And you say, okay, Mr. Joe, that is good. You know, Mr. Joe, look for you. You never can go and Mr. Joe go fit.
Mr. Joe laugh after you, man. Mr. Joe laugh after you, man.
Yeah,
that's true.
And that the Prime Minister do.
Yeah, somebody don't like
to realize. Country revenue. That is the leader. The leader of the country, though. The Chinese man, I feel up on him and class him as an idiot. So when them say, boy, Jamaica a fool, him not only see Chinese man at all.
Alright, give me a point. Let me come in. You have a point. Let me say you have a point.
Your Chinese are angry now. Jamaica a fool. You see? World big wide.
One lady down at the bottom say, boy, too, because we not unite. But anyway, you one I think what happened. You what the brother does say? Because me I just straight the brother point. So for example, 100 supermarket a year then would have pay like $1 million. So for example, there are 100 Chinese supermarkets in Jamaica. How much $1 million revenue that gone? The brother have a point, right?
Yeah.
So facts that me have no point. Point that when you make
facts that one.
Me I tell you facts that.
Point when you ask about something, so something.
Alright, 100%. Yeah, you have 100%.
When you tell a man what go on.
Right, what go on, my brother.
Yes, sir.
Country revenue.
Give it up.
That's why hospital and road and then something run down.
I run down.
Something there, brother.
I run down.
Because we revenue, we not make the country not make no revenue for airport and those situations.
Road I run down. Hospital run down. School I run down.
We have. You look at that Prime Minister what we have. Him and go and know say free man in crown is them craft full. And the massive.
One of the people in crown is craft full. And his son and his sister.
And the Chinese man see that. So that's why the Chinese man dress him as idiot. Let me tell you, you can't go there because Chinese are business.
It no sound good. If I
Jamaica will laugh when Chinese man address him. If
I saw it,
cool.
Me go really embarrassing.
A bunny Chinese man doing up because man have black woman out there. Enough Chinese man have big black baby mother out here and say, bunny me no. Bunny make him talk, yeah. You know. The bunny Chinese man we know say we are told myself in them way the future. Cause enough Chinese man have baby mother out here, enough black woman them breed, you know.
You know because they know
that.
Because they know.
So you burn them. You know say the place around so. A bunny little young Chinese man. You know let's say a bunny make him talk the future. When he say boy he have one black baby mother and he go to love him picking. You know what? He love him picking and all that's why he country around. He hurt him.
But anyway, brother, one thing, alright, listen what I say to you now, Zin. One thing I say to you, I get to understand something. Because when I find what means that, and if you look into it, we are, well, motherfucker, the brother just stayed some facts a while ago, so the Chinese then take over the food chain.